The prison system could soon be hit with a massive shortage of staff after over 120 inmates at the Lusignan prison and several staff have tested positive for COVID-19. When Nightly News first carried a story about the presence of COVID-19 behind bars, 2 prisoners were later tested positive for the potentially deadly virus. Those positive results caused the health authorities to conduct widespread testing of inmates at the Lusignan prison, and it has been revealed that over 120 inmates there are infected. On Monday, in providing an update, Minister of Health Dr. Frank Anthony confirmed the number of positive cases behind bars and noted that it is very challenging to put mitigating measures in place since the local jails are crammed.
We have been working with the prison authorities to put in measures to mitigate against the spread. Unfortunately, in that specific area where those prisoners were, it was overcrowded, and therefore it was a challenge to put all of the mitigating measures.
Nightly News understands that the results of several staff came back at the weekend, and those who were tested positive were asked to go home to their families. The number of staff who were tested positive was not immediately known. Director of Prison Gladwin Samuels confirmed to Nightly News on Monday that the Ministry of Health has been working with prison authorities to put measures in place to mitigate the spread of the virus behind bars. In fact, the inmates who have been tested positive for the virus have been isolated at a government facility on the outskirts of Georgetown under heavy security while the issue of contact tracing is being dealt with. It was reported to Nightly News that more than 40 more prisoners could be infected with the virus. That video was sent to Nightly News at the weekend, where prisoners could be heard alleging neglect by health officials since the coronavirus had been detected behind bars. An unrest later broke out, and Earl Graham, age 51, who was sentenced to 3 months imprisonment for malicious wounding, assault, and resisting arrest, and Winston Herbert, age 21, who was in custody for rape, were shot dead by prison authorities during the unrest. Temika Rodney reporting for the HGP Nightly News.